Hi, and welcome to another SMB Solutions SAP B1 training video. Today I'm going to be going through how to configure the SAP Business One mobile application on an Android device. So as you can see on my screen here, I've got my SAP Business One open, and then I've also got my mobile device. So what we want to do is we want to start in SAP Business One, and we'll start by clicking Administration, Setup, General, and Users. In here we want to find our user, and we just want to check a couple of details. First thing we want to check is we want to make sure our mobile user checkbox is ticked. Then we want to make sure we've put in our mobile number, and then also our mobile device ID. And now to find your mobile device ID, all you have to do is go over to your phone, open up the SAP Business One application, and click Settings. And then now you can see your device ID is listed here. So we'll just enter that into SAP. And once those details are in there, we'll click Update and OK. And so now we're done with SAP Business One. We'll go back over to our phone, and we'll need to enter in a server address and a port number. So all of these will be different depending on what server you're on. So to get the details for this, just reach out to your SMB Solutions support partner and we'll provide those for you. So I will go ahead and enter in those details now. Port number 443. Next, we want to make sure that SSL is ticked. Then we'll come down to our company database, and here is where we'll enter in the database name, then our user code or username. This is what we use to sign into SAP Business One. So remember, we always need to put in the SMB Solutions / followed by your username. Then it'll be your phone number, and once you've entered in all those details, you'll hit the back button, and then you'll get this logon screen, and you can see the database up the top, the user code or username, and now I just need to enter in my password and hit OK. And now you can see this is connecting to the server. And now one thing to point out with this application, this is just the standard SAP Business One mobile application, and so this can be used with both SQL and HANA systems. And now it's just loading into our database, and here you can see the SAP Business One mobile app fully connected to our database with our list of our activities to choose from. Alright, and that's it. Thanks.